Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela from GelaInTheKitchen.com, and today I'm going to share with you great technique how to make every time super moist chicken breast. We need baking paper, butter, cornstarch and spices of your choice. First, I flatten a chicken breast with mallet to 1/2 inch thickness so it's fry evenly. The baking paper should be a little bit bigger than skillet, so when I turn around chicken, juices not spill. To make baking paper more flexible, I crush in a bowl and straighten out. Now I apply butter where my chicken will be. With butter, chicken has better flavor. For my chicken in this video, I use black pepper, salt, poultry seasoning mix, little garlic powder and dry parsley to add more color to my chicken breast. Spices optional and up to your taste what you like more and what you have available. And great addition is of course fresh herbs. I use layer of starch on the top of my chicken breast from both sides so it holds better juices inside of meat. After I apply spices and corn, I ready to fry my chicken. I put chicken on a hot skillet and fry on medium temperature for 5 minutes on each side. When I fry my chicken in baking paper, I don't leave skillet without my attention. When I was taping video, I opened constantly baking paper and you can see it's not much juice left there. Around this chicken breast so much juice because I didn't open so often baking paper. Try this great technique to make juicy chicken breast. Thank you so much for watching my video and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.